Namaste students. Hope you all fine. Myself Saranya. I am your EVS teacher. Today we are going to see the lesson safety and first aid. So children, about safety measures and first aid we are going to see in here. See the picture here. Saina walk on the pavement. Being careless can lead to an accident. So her father told. For that she told, "Okay, Papa, I will be careful and walk on the pavement." So, children, always in the road, you should not walk on the road. Always you should walk on the pavement or footpath. Accidents take place when you are careless. So, if we are walking in the road means the vehicles and all going here and there, right? So it will make accidents, so always we should walk in the footpath. They can cause injury and harm our body. To save ourselves from accidents, we should be careful. Safety rules help us to be safe. So we have to follow the safety rules means to save ourselves from the dangers. We'll see what are they, okay? So here one question is there. Read the children's name 4 places outside your house where you have to be careful. So where you have to be careful, write any 4 places. This is your homework. Safety on the road. So in the road, what are the safety rules we have to follow? We'll see. Walk on the pavement. Always cross the road when the traffic light is red and the traffic has stopped. So childrens, if you want to cross the road means, if signal is there means you should see the signal. It is stopped or it is in the red sign means you can cross the road. Look to the right, then to the left, and then again to the right before crossing the road. Cross it only when there is no vehicle coming. So while crossing, you should see both the sides, right and left side. You should see. If no vehicle is coming means you can cross the road. If any vehicles are coming means wait for a time. After that, see it again and cross the road. Never run across the road. So in the road, you should not play, you should not run here and there. Fifth one, cross the road only at zebra crossing. So in this picture, white, black, some colors are there in the road, right? So that is called zebra crossing. We should cross the road only on the zebra crossing. Okay, childrens. So see in this picture, the children are crossing in the zebra crossing. Childrens, one poem is here. We'll sing. Come, stop, look and listen before you cross the street. Again tell me, childrens. Stop, look and listen before you cross the street. First use your eyes and ears, then use your feet. Again, first use your eyes and ears, then use your feet. So, children, you should sing the song and you should send it in the group. Okay, children? We'll sing it again. Come. Stop, look, and listen before you cross the street. First, use your eyes and ears, then use your feet. So, sing this song and send it to me in the group. So children, while playing also, we should follow some safety rules. We'll see what is that. Do not play on the road. Already I told that, right? We should not play on the road. Do not play with sharp objects. So in the sharp objects, we should not play. Follow the rules of the game. If any game is there means you should follow the rules. Wait patiently for your turn on slides and swings. Do not stand in front of a moving swing. So children, in the park also you should not stand in front of the swing or the slide, because the another person will make you fall. You should be careful on that places. Never push others from a swing, slide or a seesaw. So in the park also you should not push anybody. Do not play or hide in dark or lonely places. So while playing hide and seek or some other game, so don't go in the dark places to hide, or the lonely places where the peoples are not there. Like that places you should not hide yourself. Cycle inside a playground and not on the road. So, only you should ride your cycle in the playground, not in the road. Fly kites in open fields and not on the rooftop. So, if you are like to fly the kites means you should play in the open field, not in the rooftop. Do not play near open manholes. So in some other places, in some places manholes will be there. Manholes means in the ground some holes will be there, so we should not play near that. If we fell into that means it is very difficult to come out. So in that places we should be very careful. So, children, this is your fun time task. We'll see that. Mark tick for correct statement and a cross for incorrect statement. We'll see what is that. First point is we should play with a knife. Children, we should play with a knife? No, right? So, cross. We should not stand in front of swings. Right. We should never walk on the pavement. No, we should walk on the pavement. We should follow the rules of the game. Yes, always we should follow the rules of the game. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, we should cross the road on the zebra crossing. Next, safety at school. So in the school also you have to follow some safety rules. We'll see what is that. Do not keep your bottle and a bag on the floor. It blocks the way for others. So children, you should not keep your bag or a bottle in the floor. So it will blocks the way for others. Second, do not stand on desk or chair. So while playing, you should not stand on the desk or chair. Even in your home, you should not do that. Never fight with others or bully them. So you should not fight with others. Always listen to your teacher. So whatever the teacher is saying, you should listen carefully and quietly. Never break a queue or push others while waiting in a queue. So see this picture. If you are going in a queue means you should not break that, or you should not push others. And do not run or push others on the stairs. So in the staircase, you should not run or you should not push others. Okay, children, these things you should follow. Next, in the home. In the home also, you should follow the safety rules. We'll see what are they. Do not play with sharp objects like knives and blades. Why means they can hurt you. So you should not play with that. Do not touch electric wires and plugs. So you should not touch them. Only with your elders you can operate that. Put your toys back in their proper place after playing. Do not throw them on the floor. So I told you already, right? So you should keep your things after playing. You should keep your things on that proper place. You should not throw anything on the floor. Do not touch the electrical switches when your hands are wet. Normally, you should not touch them. If your hands are wet, means you should not touch them. It will give shock. So, it is very dangerous. You should not do that. And you should not light a matchstick. So, with the fires also, you should not play. It is very dangerous. Keep away from hot surface like gas stove, oven, toaster and heaters in the hot places. So keep away yourself. Don't be close with that all the things. Never taste medicine on your own. If any medicines are there in your home means you should not taste them unless your doctor or your parents should give you. Do not run up or down the stairs. You may fall and hurt yourself. You should not play on your staircase. I already told you, right? So while traveling in the vehicle also you should follow the safety. Stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. I already told this, right? Always get in or out of a vehicle after it has stopped. So if a bus is running means you should not get out or you should not get in. Do not push others while getting on or off a bus. So while entering also you should not push each other. Never put your head or a hand out of a moving vehicle. So in the window seat you're sitting means you should not put your head or hand outside. Never disturb the driver. So you should not talk with drivers while he is driving. In the car also, if your father or mother is driving vehicles means you should not disturb them. Do not open the door of a moving vehicle. If the vehicle is moving means you should not open the door. Always wear a seat belt while traveling in a car. So if you are going in a car means you should wear seat belts. So why should we wear seat belts while sitting in a moving car? So this is your homework. So you know this, right? Or ask your parents and get to know why we are wearing seat belts. Write one safety rule you should follow in the given places. So children, we saw some safety rules, right? So write one safety rules which you will follow at your home, at your school, while playing or on the road. So write that safety rules here. This is your homework. Some more safety rules. Never go alone for swimming. So if you're going for a swimming means you should not go alone. Use a swimming tube if you are a beginner. So see in this picture, the boy is sitting in the swimming tube, right? We should take that. Never tease stray animals on the road. They may get angry and bite you. So, in the road or in the zoo, anywhere you see animals, means you should not tease them. If you tease them, means it will bite you. So, you should not do that. If you or someone else gets hurt, means inform an elder such as your teacher. If you are in the school, means your friends getting hurt or something happened, means you should inform the teachers. Or if you are in the home, means you should inform your parents or elders. In the meantime, make the patient comfortable and help him to relax. So, you should help them and you should tell to your elders. Okay, children. So, fact, the immediate help we give to a person who's hurt before the doctor comes is called first aid. So, children, what is first aid means? If somebody getting hurt, means in that time we will give some medicines or we will give some bandage to wear, right? So that first treatment is called first aid. The immediate treatment is called first aid. So we'll see your exercise, children's. Filling the blanks. We should not dash in the corridors or in the stairs. We should not run in the corridors on the stairs. Never dash the driver of a moving vehicle. Never disturb the driver of a moving vehicle. We should not play with dash object. We should not play with sharp objects. Never taste dash on your own. Never taste medicines on your own. Next is your question and answer. So, reason we have to write. Okay, children. We should not play on the road. Why means? Because vehicles always run on road. There is a possibility of accident. So, we should not play on the road. So, if we play, means accidents will happen. For avoiding that, we should not play on the road. Second, we should not jump on the desk in the class. Why? You're not supposed to jump on the desk of a class because in schools discipline must be followed. So, we should not do that. And there is a possibility of falling down. So, we should not do that. We should not throw our things on the floor. So, why we should not throw our things on the floor? We should not throw our things on the floor because it may hurt someone and could make someone fall. So, it will affect others. So, we should not throw anything. We should not disturb the driver of a moving vehicle. Why means? As we know that the driver is busy on driving. We should not disturb him or her as it will lead to an accident. If we disturb them means it will cause accident. So for avoiding that, we should not disturb them. So copy all your children. Next, choose the correct answer. How can we avoid accidents at home? First one, touch electrical wires with wet hands. Do not play with sharp objects. Keep away from hot surface like gas stove and oven. So how we avoid accidents at home? So we should not play with sharp objects. And the second thing, mark these also. Keep away from hot surface like gas stove and oven. That is also one of the answer. Next, what is the right way to cross the road? First one, run across the road quickly. Do not wait for the traffic to stop before walking. Cross the road only at zebra crossing or use subways when wherever available. So which is the correct one? Cross the road only at zebra crossing or use subways wherever available. Third one, how can we be safe while playing? First one, do not play on the road. Cycle inside a playground, not on the road. Play near open manholes. So, do not play on the road. And cycle inside a playground and not on the road also one of the answer. So tick that also. Okay, childrens. So childrens, see here, this is your activity. So see this signs. So one sign indicates one safety rules like no parking, no left turn, no right turn, no entry, no horn, child crossing, hospital ahead, no U turn. So, like that, some or signs are given here. So, you should mark, you should match them with the signs. So, this is your homework, childrens. Do this activity. Okay, that's all, childrens. The lesson got over. Your homework is read the lesson, do your homework, whichever I gave you, complete your activity, and copy the exercise in your classwork note. Okay, childrens. Hope you all understood the lessons. Thank you, childrens.